Hey, it's a great day. I'm Mike Current, Energizer. Today is day 50 on the Appalachian Trail. Yeah, so let's do this. So for today, a few items. First, going over Dragon's Tooth rock formation. Should be pretty cool. Then to the Catawba grocery, little convenience store. We're going to pick up some burgers for lunch and then a short resupply. And then depending on how the day goes, we might make it to McAfee's Knob, one of the most iconic places on the Appalachian Trail and the most photographed place short of Katahdin. So we'll see how the day goes. It's pretty blustery as far as the wind. The clouds seem to be breaking up, but a lot of wind. So we'll see how the sound on the video goes. It's gonna be a great day. $700 miles, all down. A little breezy. Dragon's Tooth, 0.1 mile. Let's go take a look. Really haven't been able to show too much of it, but getting down from Dragon's Tooth is kind of a rock scramble, a little bit. You can see where you kind of scramble down these rocks. Trail's over there someplace. This last about 2.5 mile section I'm going down to the road. It's the slowest I've been so far on trail. It's whoever designed it squeezing the last bit of, let's say, fun, yeah, getting over rocks. Four Pines Hostel's that way. Stayed there last time I thru-hiked, but heading this way, grocery store, get a resupply. Resupply stop. Okay, that one's right on the trail. This is McAfee Knob parking lot here. The trailhead. I just talked to a park ranger. The memorial, the 150-pound granite stone for Zach Adamson that I talked about on Memorial Day. It had been removed sometime before 2018 when he started working here, because he has never seen it. I mean, in 2022, I walked through here, didn't see it, and I've been kicking myself for 3 years for missing it. And I scoured the parking lot, I've been scouring the woods through here, and then finally I ran into the park ranger and he said, no, it's not here. You're watching the sunset.
Beautiful. I'm gonna go check out those clouds. You said you just lifted.
So closing out day 50. Yeah, what an incredible day. Dragon's Tooth, down to the grocery store, burgers, or a barbecue sandwich, and then up to McAfee's Knob at sunset. It was just absolutely fabulous. And then on top of McAfee's Knob, we were there, Banana and Chappie were there, and they were doing trail magic. They had thru-hiked last year. Yeah, it's just a wonderful experience. I'm doing this now because it's almost dark and I've got a little bit ways to go to get to the shelter where we're going to stay tonight. But yeah, great day. It's going to be a great day tomorrow. See you then.